I'm Mandy. I'm here in the HelloFresh test kitchen today, and I'm going to show you what I like to do with my potatoes. Now, at HelloFresh, we are big on reducing food waste. So what we do is we love to use the entire vegetable. What I do is peel some long strips from my potatoes, and I like to turn these into potato chips. Now, an easy way to do that is just to lay all your skins on a baking sheet, drizzle with a bit of olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and just give it a nice toss that they're all coated. And now we just put this in a 400-degree oven and roast it for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice and crisp. Now when these come out of the oven, they're nice and crisp. So these make a really delicious healthy snack, or what I like to do is garnish soups and salad with them as well. And that's an easy way to use up the entire potato.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.